This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, March the 6th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. So at noon today we have a system moving through the Gulf Coast producing some rain down there. And then we have pretty much a zonal flow through most of the country, so temperatures will slowly start to ease up today. Highs will mainly be in the upper 20s to near 30 in the north and northeast with the heaviest snow cover to near or above 40 in the south and western counties with mainly partly to mostly sunny skies. But a storm system to our north and west begins to slide in here on Friday. This could bring some rain, sleet, freezing rain, snow, all in light amounts. It's not going to be a very precipitous storm system, but temperatures will be ahead of the front in the 40s to near 50, behind it in the near 30, and then Saturday the cold air comes in and temperatures are back down into the 20s to low to mid 30s with partly to mostly sunny skies. There could be more clouds across the south as the frontal system will still be just to our south, but Sunday is going to be totally different. Winds out of the west and southwest, temperatures well up into the 40s and maybe even 50s. Some of the heavier snow-packed areas may just stay in the upper 30s to near 40. Monday is probably going to be the warmest day in the next 7. Highs will be well into the 40s and 50s statewide with plenty of sunshine around, but it's not going to last very long because Tuesday you can see a frontal system coming through fairly dry, could bring some clouds and maybe a sprinkle or flurry at best, but temperatures drop back into at least the 30s to near 40 for highs on Tuesday, and then the cold weather just sticks around on Wednesday. It'll be mostly cloudy for quite a bit of the state, maybe more sun toward the northern counties as the storm will be moving to our south with highs anywhere between the mid to upper 20s to mid 30s or so. And you can see why this cold pattern is going to stay in place. We've seen this all winter long, a trough over the east, a ridge over the west, a short wave moving east of the state. That's with that storm that's going to miss us. But you can see another system, this looks to be a clipper system, is going to come in, and this could bring us some light snow or snow activity maybe next Thursday into maybe next Friday or so with some rain and or snow off to our southeast. Going into the extended period, well, we at least don't see a big, huge trough anymore, but we do see a ridge pumping up over the northeastern Pacific, up into Alaska, and then diving southward. That means the temperatures are pretty much going to stay fairly cold, at least near the U.S.-Canadian border. Around here, maybe near seasonal levels, maybe a couple degrees below that. Winds southwesterly, so it will be warming up, but don't expect that to last long. The end of the forecast, March the 21st. Now we have a trough back in pretty much about the eastern two-thirds of the country. Ridge over the northern and northeastern Pacific once again, and the cold air really drops in. 540 line well south of the state. We have a snowstorm departing to our north and east. We have another one off to our west. So most of the next 2 weeks looks to be more chilly than warm. Satellite image from last evening, we had a storm system along the Gulf Coast producing some rain down there. New storm moving into the north and west, bringing some rain and mountain snow there as well. Elsewhere, it was fairly calm and quiet. The watch warning map from last evening, we had some winter weather advisories over North Dakota and Minnesota, across northern Montana, some flood watches in Idaho, Oregon, and Washington. Elsewhere across the country, it was fairly quiet. Keep you sharp precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing most of the precipitation will be over the north and west, the northern Rockies, and across the Gulf Coast. Around here, maybe a couple hundredths to up to a tenth of an inch of liquid equivalent.